Good morning, respected viewers, and good morning, respected ones. Hope of that you all are well. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Success with Ma'am Amara. Hope of that you enjoy my lecture, and hope of that you understand. You try to increase your comprehension regarding English grammar, English language, and motivation. Okay. As you better know that I have discussed. I have given my lecture regarding English grammar, regarding English language and motivation as well, so that you can improve yourself, you can improve your English language, English grammar with the support of motivation. Okay. We start our today lecture with we start our today learning. Today we are going to discuss an important topic and amazing topic of English grammar, that is antecedent. Okay. Before to discuss in detail antecedent, I want to share with you a beautiful quote, beautiful inspirational quote of Rohan Jim. Okay, Rohan Jim was an American speaker, author, motivational speaker as well. Okay, he was very famous regarding he was very famous because he had written about success, discipline, self control as well. Okay, he has said that he has said a beautiful quote. He has shared a beautiful quote with us. He said that success discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Okay, what a beautiful quote he has said. What a beautiful lesson he had tried to give us. Okay, he said that we cannot achieve our success, we cannot achieve our goal without having the concept of discipline, without having the concept of hard work. वो कहते हैं, कितना एक खूबसूरत सी और कितना एक सुंदर सी बात रोहन जिम ने जो है ना हमसे शेयर की और हमें बताया. वो कहते हैं कि डिसिप्लिन जो है बहुत ज़रूरी है ज़िंदगी में. डिसिप्लिन के ज़रिए जो है ना, वो कहते हैं डिसिप्लिन एक ब्रिज है. डिसिप्लिन इज़ द सपोर्टर बिटवीन गोल्स एंड अकम्पलिशमेंट. यानी जो गोल आपने सेट किए हैं, अगर आप जो है ना उसको पाने के लिए डिसिप्लिन को अपनाएंगे, आप लाजमी जो है ना सफलता पाएंगे. कितना एक खूबसूरत सी बात उन्होंने की. तो बेटा, रिस्पेक्टेड व्यूअर्स, मेरी आपसे गुजारिश है, मैं आपको भी ये लेसन देना चाहूँगी बेटा, ज़िंदगी में डिसिप्लिन को अपनाएं ताकि आप जो है ना अपनी कामयाबी को यकीनी बना पाएँ. ओके. Okay, we start our today learning antecedent. In this video, in this lecture, I want to give you understanding regarding what is antecedent and what is the role of antecedent in English grammar, and why this is helpful to understand, why this is helpful in English grammar. Okay, and what is the purpose of it, why antecedent is important. Okay, all these questions are very helpful to understand, to give you the understanding regarding antecedent. Okay. Okay, let's start to understand antecedent in English grammar. Okay, an antecedent is the word, phrase or noun that a pronoun refers to or replace. Okay, an antecedent is a word, phrase or noun that a person refers to or replace. Okay, we try to understand with the simple definition: a noun that comes before a pronoun. Okay, the noun that comes before a pronoun is called its antecedent. ओके, यानी एक नाउन जो कि यानी प्रोनाउन से पहले आता है वो हमारा एंटीसीडेंट कहलाता है. Okay, clear? For example, we try to understand with the good example, with the example, because examples are very very important to make the to make our understanding clear. Okay, examples: Rohan said that he was tired. Okay, was, he is our, Rohan is our antecedent and he is our pronoun. Okay, he is used for Rohan. Okay, he is our pronoun and he is used to indicate Rohan. Okay, Rohan is our antecedent and he is used to indicate Rohan. Clear? So understand, so we try to understand that why antecedent is important. Okay, sometime students ask me, viewers ask me that what is antecedent and why antecedent is important. So I want to give you the answer of them. Antecedent help readers understand. Okay, antecedent give us the idea regarding, give us to understanding regarding who is being discussed. यानी ये हमें बताता है कि भाई who is being discussed, यानी कौन डिस्कस होने जा रहा है. What a pronoun refers to, यानी एक प्रोनाउन जो है ना किसकी जानिब इशारा कर रहा है. अब यहाँ पर इस फर्स्ट वाली एग्जाम्पल में, in the above example you also understand that he is the good indication of Rohan, यानी he is used to indicate Rohan, यानी he जो है वो हमें इंडिकेशन दे रहा है किसकी, रोहन की. क्लियर? और फिर उसके अलावा एंड मेक सेंटेंस क्लियर, और हमें सेंटेंस जो है वो क्लियर करके बताता है कि भाई हम किसकी बात करने जा रहे हैं, या कौन जो है ना सब्जेक्ट अगर डिस्कस हो रहा है तो वो कैसे डिस्कस हो रहा है, किसकी बात हो रही है. ओके, अब हम रूल को समझते हैं, रूल ऑफ अग्रीमेंट. ओके, अ प्रोनाउन मस्ट अग्री विद इट्स एंटीसीडेंट. अ प्रोनाउन, जो भी प्रोनाउन होगा वो अपने एंटीसीडेंट के लिए एग्री होगा. क्लियर? अब यहाँ पर ही जो है वो एग्री है विद इट्स एंटीसीडेंट, यानी रोहन, जो कि रोहन जो है वो हमारा एंटीसीडेंट है. ही जो है वो इंडिकेशन दे रहा है किसकी जानिब, रोहन की जानिब. ओके, जो कि हमारा नाउन है. क्लियर? A pronoun must agree with its antecedent in number, singular और plural या फिर gender. For example, we try to understand with the good example. हम इसको जो है ना एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू समझते हैं. जैसे कि यहाँ पर मैंने 2 एग्जाम्पल कोट किए आपको समझाने के लिए. अहमद फॉरगेट हिज बैग. ओके, हिज इज ओवर एंटीसीडेंट. ओके, हिज इज ओवर and the boys cleaned their room. अब यहाँ पर देर जो है और his यूज़ हुआ है. मैंने I have encircled 2 things, his और their, in these 2 sentences. For example, I have repeated Ahmed forget his bag. Okay, his is over is in the encircled shape, and the boys cleaned their room, and there is also in circled way, because these also indication, these indication used to give the idea regarding Ahmed and the boys. Clear? Hope of that you understand it. This is the whole understanding regarding antecedent. I have my best. I have tried my best to give you the idea regarding antecedent. Hope of that you understand it. Hope of that you enjoy it. I have one humble request to you, dear viewers. Please subscribe my channel and please share with all your good friends. Thank you so much.